This is the Framework Laptop 16, and it might be the most ambitious laptop idea in years. Framework says this thing can replace your MacBook and your gaming laptop, and be upgraded for years instead of tossed in a drawer. Sounds great, right? But after actually using it day to day, there's one big reality check no one puts in the marketing. So, is this the future of laptops, or a brilliant idea that's not quite ready yet? Product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Framework Laptop 16 by Framework, a company built around one core idea: repairability and modularity. This isn't just a laptop you upgrade, you build it. It's aimed squarely at power users, developers, creators, and gamers who want desktop-level flexibility in a portable form factor. The headline feature? Fully modular internals, swappable ports, customizable input modules, and even an optional discrete GPU. Pricing starts around the mid-thousand range and climbs quickly depending on configuration. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? I tested the Framework Laptop 16 for real work: video editing, coding, Chrome tabs everywhere, some light gaming, and even a bit of Blender. With AMD Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9 options, performance is legitimately strong. Multitasking feels smooth, exports are quick, and thermals are surprisingly well managed for a modular system. Now here's the cool part. If you opt for the discrete Radeon GPU module, this thing actually games. We're talking solid 1080p and even 1440p performance in modern titles with medium to high settings. That's wild for a laptop you can literally open with a screwdriver. But it's not flawless. Fan noise ramps up under sustained load, and battery life takes a noticeable hit when the GPU module is installed. Still, for a laptop this flexible, the real-world performance genuinely impressed me. Features and tech. First, modular everything. Ports aren't fixed. You choose what you want: USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, DisplayPort, microSD. Swap them anytime. That means no dongles, no compromises. If your workflow changes, your laptop adapts. Second, the expansion-based system. This is how Framework pulls off optional discrete GPU. Don't need GPU power? Pop in a lightweight expansion shell. Need more horsepower? Slide in the GPU module. That flexibility is unheard of in laptops. Third, customizable input modules. Keyboard, numpad, macro pad, spacers, you can rearrange them however you want. If you're a spreadsheet warrior or a left-handed gamer, this is a genuine quality of life upgrade. Finally, repairability. Everything is documented. Parts are sold openly. Batteries, screens, motherboards, replaceable. This laptop is built to last years, not upgrade cycles. Design and build. Aesthetically, the Framework Laptop 16 is clean, minimal, and very engineer core. It's aluminum, solid, and reassuringly sturdy, but it's not thin or light. This is a big laptop. Think more workstation than cafe companion. The keyboard feels good, nice travel, solid feedback, but it's not MacBook level. The trackpad is large and responsive, though haptic feedback would have been nice at this price. Overall, it feels premium and purposeful, but portability clearly takes a back seat to flexibility and tower. Battery life is fine. With integrated graphics, you're looking at about 7 to 9 hours of mixed use: web browsing, writing, light media. Add the GPU module and that drops fast. Heavy tasks will drain it in a few hours. This isn't a laptop you buy for all-day unplugged use. It's more of a work near an outlet machine. That said, USB-C charging makes topping up easy, and Framework is transparent about these trade-offs. Pros: truly modular, upgradable design, customizable ports and input layout, excellent repairability and long-term value. Cons: expensive when fully configured, bulky and heavy. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're a power user who loves control, hates planned obsolescence, and wants a laptop that evolves with you, the Framework Laptop 16 is kind of a dream machine. It's not just a product, it's a philosophy. But if you want something thin, quiet, and effortless, this probably isn't it. A MacBook Pro or a traditional gaming laptop will be easier, lighter, and sometimes cheaper. The Framework Laptop 16 isn't about convenience, it's about ownership. And if that idea excites you, this might be the most satisfying laptop you can buy today. So, that's my take on the Framework Laptop 16. Now I want to hear from you. Would you actually build your own laptop, or is this too much work? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this review helped, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, real-world tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.